In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a histogram in Excel. So the first thing you want to do is have, of course, some data, and then what you want to do is target the whole column. So you want to select the whole column, the second column, which you would like to showcase on the histogram. And then you want to go inside the insert up here inside tabs, and then you want to look for over here where there's charts, okay? And then in this middle one, where it says insert statistics chart, you want to click on it, and then the first two, as you can see, are histograms, and you want to click on the first or second one. I'm going to click the first one now, and there you go, you've got yourself a histogram. And you can of course customize it by moving it around or resizing it, changing its title like this. There we go. And then you can also play around with different settings. Once you double click on it, here on the right, you can play with size, play with properties, text options, and stuff like that. And that's how you make a histogram in Excel.